Hi everyone, I'm Don Tonio and you're welcome to this channel. On this video of Smart Home section, we're going to see the concept of the Google Home routines. The routines are all the automatization of our domotic devices based on triggers and environment conditions. In our mobile device, we're going to open the Google Home app. This Google Home app is the application that we're going to use to orchestrate and for the automatization for our domotic devices. Now, in the main screen of Google Home app, we can find the routine button. Choosing that, it will show us all the routines already configured. In the bottom of the current screen, we can find the plus button. It lets us to create a new routine. The first thing we have to do is to create a new starter. In this case, we're going to create a new voice command like launch. It will be the name for the old routine, and we're going to add another voice command like break time. These voice commands will be used by the Google Assistant to launch our routine. Another type of starter that we can use in Google Home is the timer. We define some time of the day to trigger our routine and define what days of the week we're going to enable it, and the time zone. Additionally, we can enable that our phone will be notified when our routine starts. Already defined all the starters, we need to define which actions we're going to Google Assistant make for us. The first action that I will need to Google Assistant make for me is to review how is my calendar today. And in second place, we're going to make an announcement of lunchtime. It will be communicated by your selected media device. Now we're going to set our media device volume in 90%, and make some sense to put this action before the last. Now, some of the powerful actions in the Google Home is the adjustment of the home devices. We can adjust the lights, plugs, and more devices defined by the Google rules. In my specific case, I will turn on the light of the dining room. Now, thinking that I am in my lunchtime, I will turn on the not disturb in my other devices. Other action that you can make with Google Home is to play or control some media. For example, you can start a playlist in Spotify or in YouTube. I don't like to too much of this option, but it's enabled. And the latest option to create an action is that I think that is the more powerful option. This is a custom command that you can type directly to Google in order to make a complex sentence. In my case, for example, I'm going to play Avatar on Netflix on my Roku device. And with this last one, we have completed our new routine. After say that, this routine will appear in our routines panel. Now, if we enter to edit our launch routine, in the top menu or in the phone icon, we can add some shortcut to this new routine. The routine concept of Google Assistant can be reached by other names in other manufacturers. For example, in the Smarlife we can find it like Smarts, or in eWelink we can find it like Scenes. It will be depends by the manufacturers. Well, that's all for this video. Please subscribe to this channel and activate the bell for the latest videos. Thanks for watching us and goodbye.